self-consistent prompting can be divided to 3 steps. Okay, now we go to the first step. First step is asking the AI to solve a problem multiple times using different reasoning paths. Simply say one prompt run with several times. So I run one prompt in 4 times. So we go to the chatgpt also. Okay, I run this. This is firstly I give you to as an example, simple example. Calculate 5 plus 5 and multiply with 2. I run this and I run another one. This is due 15. That's mean 5 multiply to 10. Then add 5. 15, and also this is give 15, and also this one give 15, and also this one also give 15. Then now we go to the second step, is collecting all the generated answers. So now we go to the third step. Third step is identifying the most consistent answer across attempts. All 4 times give answer is 15. So now I will give some advanced example. Let's go to the chatgpt. I type this. Here is restaurant review. Okay, this is review, and I tell chatgpt to let's think step by step to guess. That's mean chain of thought prompt. If you don't know what is chain of thought prompting, go to LionAI YouTube channel, then watch prompt engineering video series, then it's tell what is chain of thought. So this is a chain of thought. I add in chain of thought. Then the review is go from 1 to 5 stars. Explain your reasoning. That's mean chain of thought. And then output the score as final score X. So now give also as an example. That's mean one shot prompting. So it's give chain of thought and one shot prompting. It has one example, and also this is and also so I run this prompt, and also I run this prompt for 4 times. he give also thought processing, thought steps, reasoning steps. That's mean reasoning steps. This one give final score 5, and also this is give final score 5, and also final score 5. Final score 5. So ChatGPT give 4 times give 5 score. So I think then we can get as score is 5. Imagine like that. This give score is 5 and this give score is 4. Score is 4 and this give score is 5 and also this one give score is 5. Then has 3, 5 and 1, 4. 3, 5 and 1, 4. Then we can compare, we can get more accurate value as 5. This is self-consistency computing. I think you can understand what I tell. So if you need to more practical example for the self-consistency computing, comment it below, then I will give another video for the practical example. To watch this video till the end, that's mean you are serious about your work. I created this channel for the support to people like you. This channel informs you how to use AI tools. Then you can take next step in your field with AI technology. So subscribe this YouTube channel and like this video. We will meet again from another video.